Can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I don't know, it's all over the place. It's gonna be a vlog style video, but y'all get the gist by my title and my intro to this video. If you guys are new to my channel, hey, what's up? My name is May Lacey and thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe, okay, because we love it here always, okay, every day, all day. Basically, today, I'm off today, it's Sunday. I just got done filming a everyday natural makeup look, so that's what this is. Now I'm just trying to get myself ready for my day. It is 12:40. I have to meet up with somebody at 2 o'clock, so I'm gonna leave here in like 40 minutes, 45 minutes. So in the meantime, I should be getting my stuff together for this presentation or whatever, but you know, it will come together. I've been doing a lot of planning and I kind of briefly went over this in my Chit Chat Get Ready With Me video, but I am planning on launching a new business venture, a whole new business, and I'm super excited. So I've been having my little board over here. Actually, let me show y'all real quick. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. This right here. Actually, while I'm talking to y'all, I'm gonna go get me some wine really quick because I'm thirsty, and what better drink is wine, red wine. So I'll be right back. Hold on real quick. Huh? You got my oil changed? Yeah. And everything? Thank you. Y'all, I have time to do everything else but take care of my car. Like, I needed an oil change, I needed new battery, I need some new tires on my car, okay, I need my headlight fixed, I need my mirror fixed because my ex broke it. I just look so pretty today, guys. Like, sometimes I don't be feeling myself, and when I record videos, I don't be wanting to edit because I'm just like, But I feel real cute right now. I do. I must admit. So one thing that I am going to do really quick before I do leave the house is I have some inventory on hand that I need to try to get rid of, and I really just want to get rid of it. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna start just packaging it up as if it's about to be sold, because I'm going to claim that I'm going to sell these pieces. And yes, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my stuff. My bed is about to become, you know, a whole thing. I'm gonna actually throw this back on because it is a little chilly. I wish I had a glass of wine, but you know.
What kind of?
Yeah.
Really?
Why?
I had a question for you.
What is your question?
I left my phone. I'm trying to find my phone. What, I scared you or something?
Yeah, well, you don't just look through the crack and just wait.
Oh,
That scared me, guys.
How do I do a low? How do I do a find my phone?
You lost your phone?
Oh, I'm a new one. Oh, hell no.
I bought my dad a new phone, you guys.
Okay, I gotta do the find
You
my phone.
can't even really work it. I don't know how to do find my iPhone. I never lost my phone. Okay, so be right back. This tastes like water. It's upsetting me and my homegirls because we trying to get a buzz. Fuck all that extra. Oh, little bitty bitch, I blew it back out. Alright, you guys, so it's 1:11. I had to go in my mom's closet to find this tote so I can look like I'm trying to handle some business, you feel me? Boom, got a notebook, got a black pen and a pink pen. This is messing up my fit. Not really, but it's okay. Alright, then I just need my gloss and my phone, and I'm gonna take my other camera, my vlogging camera, which is shit. So, I'll see you guys when I get to Starbucks.
up, YouTube? It's your boy Mike Shaw. Taking over. We're doing a daily vlog with me. What I ordered? Oh, I was the one that got those delicious cheesesteak egg rolls.
And this water, if you didn't drink.
Oh, I'm sorry. And I got this delicious sparkling water as well. Not my kind of water. You know, I like mine still. You know, not tap, not ice. Still, you know what I'm saying? Or a little alkaline, you know, if I'm feeling that way. Just all depends.
Whenever you're not happy, quit that motherfucker. When you literally are going to your 9 to 5 and you're no longer happy, quit.
Hey y'all, don't listen to Dope unless y'all got a plan. Because obviously he had a plan. He's a YouTuber.
Obviously.
He's making money off of
I didn't quit though. I got fired. That was God.
That was alright, that was God.
That was God telling
But
me
at the
this
same time, I'm gonna say this.
What would
Me
you say?
as an entrepreneur,
Okay.
you have to have several sources of income. Even if you're working your 9 to 5 job, you need another source of income just in case they want to fire you.
Thank you.
So until you have something that can replace or equal that source of income from the 9 to 5, don't quit.
Don't quit.
Okay? Don't quit. That's my advice. I'm a different kind of human being, okay? But y'all can do whatever y'all feel.
look.
Go ahead. Hold on, this chicken. Oh man. Oh, thank you, buddy. With the barbecue sauce in it. Ooh. Boy, you had to do it like that. You just killed this chicken in the back, huh?
Hey, no cap. No cap.
You got side
I already know. Popeyes and Chick-fil-A is not hitting on this. I can tell you that right now. He got the same thing, trying to be like daddy.
He said you pushed it. he said you pushed it with that one.
He said, chill out.
Why you not in Vegas? Wait, where they at?
Man, Florida.
They don't call me on my blood. Falling bigger than LeBron.
Happy birthday, dear mine.
My real friend took me out for my birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Hey, that's all
man.
cap. It's not his fucking birthday. That nigga lied like a
You
man.
gonna make a you candle when you gonna make a wish?
Okay.
I can't tell y'all my wish, can I?
Nah.
Who y'all think y'all frontin' on? Like, blah, blah, blah. Louis 13 and it's all on me, nigga. You just a shot. Come across me if you think that you gon' knock me out the top. Shit, you wife in the backseat of my brand new foreign car. Don't act like you forgot. I called a shot. Like, blah, blah, blah. Pay me what you want.
Hello? I'm just trying to plan some things. Yeah, super excited. Like, Derek, I really am feeling like this will get me to, like, I'm hoping with this drop, the first month of September, I want to make between $3,000 to $5,000 in profit, which I don't think will be bad. I'm already trying to look into websites and just seeing how I want this website to be. So I am looking at websites. I was looking at Shopify because I wanted to try Shopify, but I just didn't know.
I'm a little man.
Don't act like you forgot.